Okay, guys, example number 4 here says a Norman window. Guys, get used to it. Mathematicians love this. They love it just because it's a rectangle and a circle. That's why they always talk about the Norman window. The Norman window here that you see, right, it's got this rectangle, and it has this semicircle on the top, okay? And it has a name. It's called the Norman circle, or I'm sorry, the Norman window. It consists of a rectangle and half a circle, as shown. Find the area of the window to the nearest square foot. Okay, now look. This is not unlike the problem that, who asked it about? Was it number 31 from the homework, or 33? Was it Teddy?
Oh, yeah.
Where we cut it into 2 parts, right?
Yeah.
We found the area of the rectangle, and then we found the area of that trapezoid. We're going to do the same thing here. All right? So let's take this Norman window, and we're going to cut it into 2 parts. We're going to cut it into the rectangle, and then we're going to cut it into the semicircle. And let's deal with the rectangle first. What's the area of the rectangle? You guys have a calculator. What's the area of the rectangle? Help me out. Simon?
33.
33. All right. And I'm going to put a big circle around it. What Simon did was he said that rectangle's area is base times height. So that area is 8.25 times 4. And that gave us 33 feet squared. Okay, that's the area of that rectangular part. Now we need to find the area of this semicircle. Okay? Well, we know the area of a circle is equal to pi r squared. And we know also that we only want half of it. So we can find the area and then just cut it in 2. You agree? And we'll add that to the rectangle's area. Okay, well good. Tell me what to fill in then. Raise your hand. What do I need to fill in for this first symbol here, Alex?
For the first one, you write 3.14.
3.14. Okay. What about the next thing, Cole?
2.
2. Exactly. Because this rectangle is 4 feet across, which means that the radius of that circle is half of it, only 2 feet. Right? Okay, so let's go ahead and find, but that's of the whole circle now. He cut the diameter in half, but that doesn't mean the area that we get is cut in half. We needed the radius. Okay? So then we're going to get 3.14 times 4. Good. And what do we get when we multiply those two together? What'd you get, Trigo? 12.56 feet squared. But remember, that's the area for the whole circle. So what do I need to do, Fritz?
Divided by 2.
Divide that by 2. So when I do divide it by 2, I'm going to get 6.28.
Yes.
Is that right?
Yep.
Feet squared. So the area of the circle is 6.28 feet squared, or the semicircle. So what's the area for the whole window? What do I do to find that, Armand?
You add the 6.28 feet squared and you add the 33 feet.
So I'm going to add 33 and 6.28, and that's going to give me 39.28 feet squared. And they said to the nearest square foot, so we're going to put our gate around the decimal. Does it drop down to 39, Zachary, or does it bump up to 40?
It drops down to 39.
It drops down to 39 feet squared. That's about how much glass you need to cover that window. All right? Great job, guys. You're ready for your homework and your next class.